Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. This meme coin is absolutely popping off. Totally relatable, extremely recognizable for normies, for newbies in the space. Mcrib. This thing is a really random narrative, to be honest, if I'm being perfectly honest. It's extremely catchy though. You see the illustration here. The token ticker is Mcrib. Obviously, everybody knows what this is, and you see on the 4-hour chart, the action speaks for itself. We got in on this in the private group, guys, on day one, literally the minute this launched. This team is, I'm familiar with this team. They are not scammers. This thing, it's absolutely taken off, and you see here with the downward action today, or excuse me, this is in the middle of the night on the early morning hours of the 10th. But you see yesterday on the 9th, all this downward action. Well, that's what this is. This thing would be, well above this level if it wasn't for the downward action. It's consolidating here, obviously rebounding. You see the uptrend. This thing is super catchy. It's a whole thing, they've got the Memopoly game on their website. So the McDonald's Monopoly thing going on. They've got NFTs. You can win really monster prizes. Rolex, Tesla Model 3, Cruise. It's a whole thing, and they've really built this website out as well. Super quality. We got a Mcrib obviously on Alex Becker's arm right here. Of course, I'm joking, but you see the website. It's quality. This is different, right? It's not a dog. It's not a cat. This is what I call mainstream market meme. So things that are related to big world companies and stuff like Disney and Walmart, and this is McDonald's, right? Mcrib. It's very recognizable. People see things like this and they buy it. And obviously it's working. People are buying this thing. 4-hour chart speaks for itself. This came this came out on December 3rd. Super bullish. The team is very, very, very experienced. Okay. They're not amateurs. They know how to get a successful launch off the ground. There was no pink sale for this. This is a lot of potential. You see how catchy and grabbing this is. Super organic. They could have botted this Twitter up, but they didn't. I like that. It's natural, right? They've got a solid floor of hardcore investor whales in this project that are holding the floor. That's why this chart looks like this. That kind of support, right? I mean, this is just a very clear and pretty uptrend. And I want to show you real fast on the hourly, the breakdown here from this action. You see this is that same uptrend on the hourly chart. You see the action. There's tons and tons of buy action happening on the way, cascading down with all the action today with the crappy market conditions. So this project has a lot of potential. I think there's a lot of more room for this to go. I'm not sure, it's how far they are from, CMC, but they've got everything handled, everything burned. It's all legit. It's not something that is a here today and gone tomorrow kind of project. This is good here. I see that there's my financial friend, the YouTuber, is covering it as well. They're obviously getting the traction. They're getting the word out there for the project. And it's, it's memeable. Look at this. You know what I mean? I mean, they're taking this, very popular McDonald's photo from the new administration, putting Mcrib across the top. It's very easily memeable. You see how easy this is to pump out. Boom, right there, Mcrib, over and over again. Trump's holding a Mcrib. This thing's easy, right? Jesus Mcrib. The list goes on. There is no limit to how memeable something like this is. The NFTs are a big deal. That's how you get these NFTs. You get a rare. You're entering in. You're playing this game. You're becoming eligible for these prizes that are a Tesla, a Rolex, right? A Caribbean cruise. There's a lot going on here. It's definitely some gamification, and they're taking Memopoly and McDonald's Monopoly, blending it together into an NFT-backed game. I think it's worth checking out. Let me know what you guys think. We got into this thing literally the second that it launched in our private group, guys. We're getting into these. The bull market's taking off. There's going to be so many things that are popping off. It's going to be crazy. The difference is it going to be something that's super recognizable? Like this, even honestly, this deck screener banner, a lot of people would say that something like this isn't that big of a deal, but I'm sorry, it is, right? The token image being a giant Alex Becker beefed up, roided out arm holding a Mcrib, this kind of animated, popping, catchy banner, and the ticker itself, Mcrib. These things matter so much more than people put into perspective. The psychological aspect of it all, it gets people to click. You know, this chart I think is just the beginning for this. This team is not screwing around. They know what they're doing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, guys. You know, come see us in the private group if you need some help. You know, I can help you with the portfolio, guys. And you know that we have a level if you just want to be a part of a tight-knit family, guys. We're futures trading in this group together. We're making so much money. The market goes down and takes a crap. Well, when you're futures trading with a group of like-minded individuals in crypto, it doesn't matter if the market takes a crap, because in volatility lies the gains. That's what futures trading is, guys. You know anything about it, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know, come in here with us and check it out. It's a lot of fun. But if you keep it here on the channel, you guys know that I appreciate and respect your time and attention regardless, guys. Even if you don't subscribe to the channel, even if you don't like my stuff, I don't know why you're here, but even if you don't like my stuff, I appreciate your time today stopping by. Just above all else, guys, remember to stay calm and make that money. Thanks again, guys.